In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Gmail address not found. First, let's start by checking the email address. This is a crucial step because even the smallest typo can prevent your email from reaching its intended recipient. Look carefully at the recipient's address and verify every character. Pay attention to spelling mistakes as they can happen easily. Extra spaces can also sneak in, often at the beginning or end of the email address. Moreover, ensure that no characters are missing. If everything looks good, you can proceed with confidence. Remember, double-checking this detail can save you a lot of frustration later. Next up, let's check the domain of the email address. The domain is the part that comes after the @ symbol. It is essential to ensure that this part is correct. Common domains include @gmail.com, @outlook.com, and @yahoo.com. If the domain is incorrect, your email will not be delivered. This is important because the domain determines the email service provider. If you spot an error in the domain, correct it right away. Once you've verified both the email address and domain, you'll be ready to move on to the next step. After that, it's time to resend the email. Having corrected the email address and ensured that the domain is accurate, you can attempt to send the email again. Simply hit the send button and keep an eye out for any notifications. If it goes through successfully this time, you will see a confirmation appear. Resending the email is a straightforward step, but it's essential to ensure that all previous checks have been completed. This way you can be confident that your email will be received. Now let's clear your browser cache. This step is important because a cluttered cache can sometimes interfere with how your emails are sent and received. Start by opening your browser settings. Look for the section that deals with privacy or data. Once you find it, locate the options for clearing cache and cookies. Select the option to clear both cache and cookies. This will remove any stored data that might be causing issues with Gmail. After you've cleared the cache, restart your browser. This helps ensure that any changes take effect. Once your browser is back up, sign in to Gmail again. You may notice improved performance, which can help with sending emails more effectively. Now that you've completed these steps, it's a good idea to take a moment to reflect on what you've done. Each action taken was designed to ensure that your email reaches its destination. You've checked the accuracy of the email address, verified the domain, and even cleared the cache. These steps collectively help eliminate common issues that users face. If the problem persists after following all these steps, consider reaching out to Gmail support for further assistance. By following these instructions carefully, you can tackle the address not found error with confidence. Remember, each detail matters when it comes to email communication. You can now send your emails without worry. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has helped you resolve your issue.